What's up, guys? Thanks for tuning in into another Teeter GT video. If y'all are new here, my name is Tamaine, and in today's video we're gonna get right on into it because I got some new custom premium leather seats to go right into Bellini 2.0. We got our first sponsor. Custom Interior has sent me some seat covers for Bellini 2.0, and I went with the premium all black leather seat cover for Bellini 2.0, and it's the perfect timing because, as you guys know, I bought this car about a year ago from today. From 2024, so I bought it in 2023, and the previous owner, when I bought it, it came with these are how the seats came. So this has been like this ever since I had the car. The seats are pretty worn, as you guys can see right here, at least in the driver's side for sure. The passenger side sheet, as we hop on over here, is not too bad, but it appears to be pretty worn. I've spilled some brake fluid on the seat. The backs are good because nobody's really sitting in the back at all. So I think in this package here we do have front seat covers and back seat covers, so we're gonna do this whole car. And if you guys don't know, this is the 2014 Mustang Premium 5.0, so I got the premium this time. And with the premium, these seats are leather, unlike the other stock or the other Coyote Mustangs that are not premiums. You just might have like cloth seats, because I know on my Track Pack Mustang that I had previously, it had cloth seats, and those worn out really damn quick. So that would have, this package would have came in clutch on the other Mustangs for sure, because I did not have the leather. Because I'm gonna do this two ways. For one of these seats, either the passenger side or the driver's side, I'm gonna take one of these seats out and install the seat covers with one of the seats out, and then I'm gonna leave one of the seats in and install the other side of the seat covers with one of the seats in. So I'm sure you guys how to do both ways, depending on if any of y'all may have a socket wrench or just don't want to take your seats out. But it's really easy to take the seats out, and then we're gonna take the rear seats out as well, because I can tell you, man, Custom Interior, y'all really do package these seats really good. As we go over the packaging, you can tell like this stuff is really great quality because they package this thing on all four sides, and they even on literally all sides of this box. And on this side, they even stapled it down together, and I ripped this part because I was carrying it all the way over here. But I like how it comes in the package. Bada bing and bada boom. Wow, let's get to it, man. Hell yeah. Come in a nice packaging right here. We're gonna take out one of these seats. These are the headrests that are gonna come out as well. All right, so we got everything sorted out right here. We have the two front seats right here. This is where your bottom's gonna go. That's where your back's gonna go in the headrest. And the rear seat over there, where your bottom's gonna go, and your back's gonna go for the headrest. As far as to how these things are gonna clip on here, it looks like we have a harness right here, some straps that when we put this over the seat, and we have these clips right here. And for another secure position right here, we have another strap right here that is gonna essentially go on over for like a seat belt. As we get closer, there are three clips. There's one exposed here, two exposed here, and I've strapped one down here. And in order to hide that so you won't get clipped in the ass, just literally slide it back here. So this is what we're gonna do with these two. And you're just gonna keep moving the seat forward and backwards so you can make it easier. And as you can see, the strap is right here for the first one. Gotta bring this through. This side to the top. Now let's get these front one to get on here for the bottom piece for the front side. We're actually going to take this strap right here and feed it through this cover. There is a way to feed it through so you can hide it under there. Okay, nice. Nice. You can see that there, that this is being clipped together now. Bam! There's other two clips, harness right here. I'm going to bring this around and clip it down. All right, so we got these things on, and man, they are fitting like a glove. They looking really good. But however, the seat on the car, like without taking it out, is really hard. I forgot about the zipper on the other side, and you really can't zip it up to really get that tight, snug fit. So I'm gonna be fighting to try to zip this thing all the way up. Now we're gonna move over to the passenger side, and as you guys can see, we can get a comparison here a little bit with. All right, so we're gonna take out the passenger seat here, and it's actually, I think you're gonna believe, a 13mm socket and a 15mm. We got 4 bolts that we're gonna take off here. As you guys can see, we pushed the seat all the way back. We're gonna get this one bolt right here. There's another one down there. We got the front 2 bolts off right now. We're gonna move over to the back, and the other 2 bolts are hidden behind these covers with the bracket. You're just literally gonna kind of pop this out. It's held on by a clip right here. I found my iPads that I've been looking for a couple of months. It was hiding under these seats. Now with these bolts back here, they are 15 millimeters. All right, now since these seats are equipped with airbags and we are going to be disconnecting some harnesses under there, so the seat's almost out. Before we do that, we're going to just disconnect the negative battery terminal. These harnesses under here, we're just going to clip off. That's one. All right, so first we're going to take the headrest off. You're going to click in one tab here, and then there's another tab on the other side. Note, if you have something in the back of your original seats, take them out. Slides right on over, nice and snug. Zippers on this side, which is, that's gonna go towards the inside. So we're gonna slide that on over. Nice and smooth. Literally fits like OEM fitment, man. You can't even tell. As you guys can see, like this is how it is and how it will now secure itself. You just rotate it, boom, just like that. Now you have these two harnesses right here that you're just going to find on this seat that we're just going to clip down all the way. Clip it down right there, clip it all the way down right here. So we got the zipper on this side, we're going to zip this down. And like I mentioned, with the seat out, it's much easier to zip it. So if we lift this up here, we got all 6 of these clips here rotated back there, so it won't come off. Now y'all, we're gonna take the rear seats out, and the rear seats, they're just clipping in, so you're just gonna lift up and there's a tab, release tab. I just released it. It's literally like this thing, and it's like you push it in and it releases up. Okay, now, so after we get the bottom piece out, we're gonna take the back side out now. It's held on by 3 13 millimeter bolts. Okay. So put this up. That's a good spot. That's a good spot. All right, now it's time for the back pieces. Okay, that's how that's gonna go. It's gonna look like this through the front side. The back part also has a zipper section to where they will zip together. Okay, so all right, so given over time that these seats will mold into place over time, they are fitting really nice. They're looking really nice. Now these clips back here for this top part, you're just going to put it back here, and it's gonna hide. It's gonna go between the bottom and the top. Okay, and that's how you get these out. Well, that's how you get these in. Bring it down. Ugh. Okay, gap back there, but overall, like I said, when people start sitting in, I don't even think anybody would really even sit in the back sometimes, but other than that, nice. It just makes it look newer.
It makes it look 100% newer.
Yeah.
That's what I say. I got some of them for my goddamn, for my seats.
Oh yeah, look at this, man. Hell yeah. Fuck yeah, man. This is looking like a complete whole new interior that we got in Boudini. I went with the all black. I'm gonna try to get a nice something. Woo, nice cinematic driver seat action right here. Hold on, let's get in. Let's get in. Let's get in. Jesus. It feels like I am in a nearly new car just by upgrading the seats. Well, the seat covers, black on black, and these things just look brand new. It just feels like I'm in a new car. Holy shit. Hold on, we gotta hop on over to the passenger side, and oh my gosh, like nobody has sat in these seats yet, and these seats are already fitting nice and snug. It's looking nice and sleek. Look at this. Look at the trim right there. Hold on, let's focus, man, focus. And we just tucked that in right there. It looks like it's just OEM and straight out of the factory. I like how professional this looks. I like how the leather feels, man. It just feels like I'm about to go for a ride up in these bad boys. And as we get to the back, there's really not much of a difference at all in the back, but and that's simply because nobody sits in my back seat and they're not worn out. Oh, this thing looking spicy from the outside, and it's looking brand new to the inside. Man, big thanks to Custom Interior for sending me over these nice premium seat covers to go over these factory ugly old seat covers that I had in Lamborghini 2.0. It was literally the perfect timing for that. If you guys are looking to replace your worn, torn, or just want to get a new feel for your cars, they not only do Mustangs, but they also do Corvettes, they do Challengers, they do Chargers, they do trucks. Check out them with the links that I'll post here in the description, that I'll post up top, and then I'll post with their Instagram as well. This install honestly took me about, I believe, 2 hours, simply because I was filming everything. But the simplest way to do this is to take all the seats out, and it's not hard to take all the seats out. You'll get this install done within, I believe, 1 hour, and it should be literally as simple as that. So simple for this install, and the seats are looking really nice. I like the quality of them. I like how easy the install actually was. You can't tell that I put seat covers in the car unless you actually look at this video and know that I have seat covers in the car. Without further ado, man, we are going to keep installing some nice more modifications on this car, and hopefully we get some more sponsors for this channel. This car is coming along really good. There may be some installs that I haven't told y'all about that's on this car that y'all have noticed already. But without further ado, man, make sure you subscribe, like, comment on this video if it helps you out. Stay tuned for more as we go.